Want to transfer money from GCash to any bank completely free? Here's a quick guide. Step 1. Open your GCash app and tap GSave on your dashboard. Step 2. Under Partner Banks, select CIMB. Make sure your GSave CIMB account is already active. Step 3. Tap Deposit. Step 4. Enter the amount you want to transfer, then tap Next. Step 5. Review the details and tap Confirm to send funds from your GCash wallet to your GSave account. Your money is now in your CIMB GSave account with 0 transfer fees. Step 6. Open the CIMB Bank PH app. Step 7. Go to Transfer. Step 8. Tap to Other Banks, select your recipient. Step 9. Choose your GSave account under Transfer From, enter the amount, double-check the details, and confirm the transfer. Enjoy up to 10 free InstaPay transfers per day. That's it. Fast, secure, and completely free. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and share to help others manage their GCash and CIMB transfers.